In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video on Facebook Marketplace following the full 2025 guide. If you're looking to enhance your listings and make them more engaging to potential buyers, adding a video can be a great way to showcase your products with more detail and clarity. Let's go through this process step by step to ensure that you're able to do this smoothly and effectively. First off, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Facebook's main site. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find the Facebook interface in front of you. Now I want you to look over at the left sidebar. You should see an option labeled Marketplace. This is the section where you manage all of your buying and selling activities within Facebook. Click on Marketplace. Once you're inside the Marketplace, at the top of your screen, you should see a button that says Create New Listing. This button is your gateway to selling and sharing items with the community at large, so go ahead and click on it. Now you're faced with some options. This is where you choose the type of listing you want to create. Depending on what you're selling, you might choose from items for sale, vehicles, property rentals, etc. Select the one that best fits what you're listing. Once you've made your choice, it's time to move on to the next step. With your listing type chosen, you're ready to dive into enhancing your listing with a video. Look for the section labeled Add Video. It's typically situated right after your choice of adding photos. Click on Add Video, which will prompt you with options to upload. Here, you can either drag and drop your video file directly from your computer or click on the Upload button to select a video from your file manager. Make sure that the video you choose best represents what you are trying to present. A well-shot video can make all the difference in how your product is perceived. Remember that there are some requirements to keep in mind. Facebook might have specific guidelines on the video format and size, so take a moment to check that your video complies with these requirements for a seamless upload experience. Once your video is successfully uploaded, ensure that you check it by playing it back to see if it looks appealing and effectively communicates the essential aspects of your listing. And there you have it! You've successfully added a video to your Facebook Marketplace listing. Feel free to add any additional details like description and pricing to further enrich your entry. Now you're ready to publish and attract more interest with your enhanced listing. Thank you for following along, and happy selling!